The concrete is separating from the hole a little bit, but on the inside it's not compressing quite like this is. One of these fence posts is set in foam and one of them is set in concrete. I'm going to pull them together until one of them fails. Each one has just enough product to fill the 6-inch hole 24 inches deep. Coming into this, I'm sure most of you have an idea which one's going to win. I did too, so let's see what happens. I don't see any serious separation on the foam side, no cracks. On the concrete side, we have a little crack right here, but that's mostly superficial. Alright, so I'm really starting to see the foam one lean more, and I can hear it. If you listen close, I can hear the foam ticking and compressing. I mean, we can tell just by the lean here, the foam's not holding up quite as well. I am impressed at how well it's done so far. The concrete is separating from the hole a little bit, but on the inside it's not compressing quite like this is. If you like this kind of test and DIY home improvement videos, go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also consider becoming a member down below. It's $2.99 a month, only costs a dime a day. I don't have any exclusive members only content, but it sure helps me out. Move that off of there so you can see. As you can see on camera, we've actually started to take a bow to the steel post itself, on both sides really, but more than anything on the foam side. I believe we've got a clear winner. The concrete post won. But I'm impressed at how well this held up. It was able to move the concrete post well out of plumb. Just didn't have the compression strength on the inside of the pole. Over here, yes, we separated a little bit from the outside of the hole, but inside where the concrete's being compressed, it held up considerably more than where the foam was being compressed. This 3.5 inches of foam has been reduced to about 3/4 inch right here, and it's hard as a rock, and it's separated from the back side. So what we've got here is, I only ever use foam posts for line posts. I don't use them for corner posts or to hold gates or gate latches. But this has changed my mind. I mean, we've subjected this to extreme conditions, and it didn't hold up, but it held up better than I thought. If you had a big enough hole, let's say instead of 6 inch, you went maybe 7 or 8 inch, a whole bag of that foam would likely hold up a gate hinge post or a latch post. It does cost about double what a bag of concrete does. Concrete, however, takes minimum of 24 hours to set up, the fast set, and we let these cure for 1 week exactly. So foam really is a reasonable option if you don't have time to wait for concrete. It costs twice as much, but I'm really impressed with how it did. I've got videos if you do need to replace a gate post and you want to redo the gate so it's smooth, you've got company coming over. This video will show you everything you need to know about how to rebuild a gate. And if you have rotten wood fence posts and you're considering replacing them with steel, this video here will show you why that's not always the best idea to save costs and what to do instead.